Hello, I'm Suzanne, and I recently had a right knee replacement. It's been 8 weeks since it, and I am doing beautifully. I have a physical therapist that really good that has helped me really get strong. It's been wonderful because I have no pain in my knee. I can do steps, which I couldn't do for at least since January because the knee just gave out in about I think it was June when it just collapsed on me, and it was horrible. But anyway, now I'm on my 2 feet. I have a puppy, a goldendoodle that's 1.5 years old that I walk every morning, and I walk about 2 miles, and she makes me walk. I mean, she's a therapy dog. And then I have one horse that I love to ride, trail ride. I've ridden him twice so far, and I'm taking it slow, but he is a good boy, and no pain in the knee, none whatsoever, which is great. So my thing to you is, if you decide to do it, and I'm not saying it doesn't hurt, it hurts a while, but if you do your exercises that you get as soon as you have the operation in the hospital, and then when you come home, and then do outpatient, you've got to do the exercises. The more you do the exercise, the less pain you have. So, I'm saying good luck and do it.